Welcome back, and thanks for tuning in to another episode of Animal Unwind. Now, I met these two out at the beach. This little gray one might have been the cutest dog I've seen all year. Now this is my neighbor's dog, and he's quite a character. He's got two different color eyes, and he's really sort of like a human. Then the other wild mutt showed up, and they named this one Nubis. He learned how to jump over the gate, and he saw some action, so here he is. What about this giant monitor named Turbo? He really never quits moving. This is my blood python from Indonesia. His name's James because he's a 007 GoldenEye blood python. Well, he was certainly keeping an eye on us. Well, let's check out these big sakadas have a full-blown salad. Now that's one fat goldfish. What's he been eating? And it looks like we showed up at the fish department because we got this wacko. Look at him. I was really entertained by these birds at the food court in Fashion Valley. Those were little aquatic Christmas reefs. And we're going to end it with a couple little dogs I always see at the beach. The little pair of white dogs. Well, I guess they mean business. Hey, I always appreciate you guys tuning in to Animal Unwind. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we gonna see you on the next one.